Hey, this is Coco from Coco Custom, and I took this part off right here for my coolant to run the coolant line. I don't know what it's called. It bolts off to the block of the engine where my coolant lines hit. This is where the weep hole is. Let me turn the camera around. This is where the weep hole is, and so I'm just going to drill it out. I ordered the wrong fitting. I wanted 1/8, but I thought 1/4 inch is going to be small. I was wrong. It takes a 7/16 drill. I'm going to drill it out. It's a little big, but it'll work. I'll make it work, shit. But that's what we're about to do. Alright, after I drilled it out, I used, this is a 1/8 MPT. I used a 1/4 one, and I tapped it all the way down. I think I went too deep, but it still works. So I put a little pipe thread deal, the Teflon Don on it. Then I cinched this one down. As you can see, it came out pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. So it's cleaned up right here. I cleaned this off. About to put some Honda Bond on there and button it up. Alright, so after cleaning it up, I'll put some grade A Honda Bond on here. Get a good little amount on there. Then I saw this on there. Alright, there she wrote. That's all she wrote right there. Hope you guys like it. So now you can see that one goes all the way through. Bam. That one goes through the block. The other one's on the other side. So now everything should sit nice and clean. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of that information. Hope it guides you guys to do the right thing on your guys' build. Peace out.